Section B, it is advanced investment appraisal. You have covered your investment appraisal, capital budgeting, which was in ACCA F9 or FM. If you remember NPV, IRR, and probability analysis in NPV, taxation, stuff like that. So all that will be here, but it is advanced. Advanced means that you would be required to calculate not only NPV, but they may ask you to go for APV, adjusted present value, not only IRR, but might be MRR. And then there are a few other issues. For example, different currencies would be introduced. In F9, you never used multiple currencies. Here, you might be using, taking some debt financing in some other currency and then investing it somewhere, and then taking out, rolling back the cash, and then paying back into another currency. So more advanced scenarios will be involved here. And this is one of the most, one of the most important areas of your exam.